Good evening to everyone that's listening to us right now, live here in the UK for the very first time. The artist, he goes by the name Bramma. Welcome to the UK,
Bless up,
General.
brother. Gang. What go on, family? Flames radio. Turn up low. Them a murderer with their whole vibe, brother. Mad.
But you're in the UK though, and we never seen you in the UK before. It's just a random visit. What's this visit about?
Well, actually, this is my second time in the UK. I was here like probably 6 years ago with Big Ship.
Okay.
Yeah, and now I'm here promoting this one a day EP. Also, I had like 3 shows over here. I did one already, actually.
Yeah.
Next one is the 26th in Reading, you know what I mean? Big up Dark Side.
Yeah, but you're quite established. But for those of most UK people that probably listening and probably don't know who is Bramma,
Yeah.
can you just run us through quickly, maybe about 10 seconds of what you've done before? Because you quite accomplished a lot of things.
Yeah, man, whole heap of thing. You don't know we there make good music from them time till now. We there in the game from when 2008. You know what I mean? Whole heap of thing, brother. Been to Africa, perform for like 80,000, brother. Tour out the whole of Canada and some places. You know what I say, brother? We just make music and make music for real people. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What people would say for the mainstream dancehall people, especially people in my scene, would say that Bramma went missing. But my knowledge of this is not necessarily that you've been missing, because I know the game works and how the politics works in the business. Can you just explain from your point of view what happened for that point of time that we were not seeing you, we were not hearing any music for you?
Well, actually, sometimes I ask myself that same question, brother. Because from I come out in music, brother, I never have no other job. You understand? I never stop work. I never stop record one day. But as we use say politics, brother, but I try to really focus on the politics and them things no more. Because when I realize, when I work and put out music, it'll reach the people them wait for reach, and it'll reach real youth. So you have some youth where look on the song them where you play a while ago, brother. You have some youth where listen me for real. So me not really complain about it no more and make it bother me. Me just know say me been a work and me a work hard, brother. You see what me I say, look how long me dey in music, and me just have a first body of music. You understand what me I say? So all them things they have for pre, brother. You see me?
Your first recordings was because the first time I heard you, you were with one of Stephen McGregor's production.
Yeah.
It was on the you remember the rhythm is called with Lul, it's a juggling.
Yeah, but a whole heap of them, so you have to be more
No, the
specific.
one with tip on your two and that what's the rhythm called again?
Day every day some people try. We don't want to see him die. Yeah.
That was my jamming back in the days. It was one song that you can guarantee that it's just it didn't hit like big like was the top song on the rhythm, but it was one of the songs that you had to include in the juggling.
Yeah, most definitely. It's whatever. And that song that opened a lot of doors to me, because that was the song that brought me to the US. So we're still grateful, brother, because it's an achievement same way. You know what I mean? And it's whatever. A regular I go someplace, brother, and if me not sing that song, the people kill me feet, brother. So I mean, the music will reach the people them, brother. You know what I say, brother? It's just that sometimes you know it go with the politics, brother. We not sing where some people are singing, brother, and me not do jump up music in, brother. You see me? My music is something where you have to listen. You know what I say? And just hear where I get at and where I come from. It's not a thing where I go just jump out and girl skin out and broke out and you know what I say?
Yeah. But your music it has substance, especially this new project that you had. It's called, what's it called? One a Day, right?
Yeah, bless up for that, brother. One a Day EP.
Yeah, and there's 7 tracks on it, and basically I've watched the videos and I've seen that they're saying that I see one say Monday, Tuesday. So it intrigued me to listen to all the songs, because I'm gonna be honest with you. When an artist sends you a body of work, I shouldn't really say this, but not all the time you're gonna be listening to all the songs.
No, that's true. That's why I'm try to keep it.
Yeah.
That's why I'm try to keep it like really creative and intriguing with this project, brother. Because first thing with this project here, brother, I have a song for every day, one a day. Because everybody knows that 7 days make a week, right?
Yeah.
So I just decide say I gotta just use a song for every day, brother. So Monday, it feel like on a Monday, in my interpretation, still like a school day, you know what I mean? So I'm not say my interpretation, brother, everybody interpretation, but the music is literature for me, brother. So it's what my eyes say, I kind of put it back in a lyrical format so the people them can relate. So and another thing about this project also, brother, every song has a visual, as we just say, and in between you have like skits and them thing that with acting and it's like me are the first dancehall artist would do that too. You understand? But
yeah, 'cause there's not really much artists doing that story, that concept of bonding each track that it gives you tells a story. Because what happened to me is that I saw on Monday,
Yeah.
and then I was just intrigued to see what's gonna happen on Tuesday, and by watching Tuesday, by next 20 minutes I'm at Saturday.
Yo, yeah,
Because
it have that thing there, no?
yeah, because you
Yes, I.
watch one day and then obviously you're gonna wanna know what's happening the
Well, go
next
on
day.
tomorrow and the day after that.
I think it's very strategic at where how you done it, where people can.
I mean, I have to big up S-Lock Entertainment too. You know, me I say, brother, because I mean, I'm a manager there reason, and you don't know it's a company like this when I come with my idea, them sometimes them really crazy, you know, brother.
Yeah.
Like me come say something and, you know, some people will shun you and find, a boy, you're mad. My team believe in me, brother. So when we come to my manager with the idea, me and him reason about it, he must say, DJ, you know, say it bad and rare it works. So, I mean, big up S-Lock Entertainment to the fullest, you see me?
We can see that there's new light shining into Bramma's camp. There's something that's happening that the tide has changed.
Yes, I.
Because you're more happier than you used to. Well, I didn't say that you were quite were angry. Or
Yeah,
anything,
mama,
but
yeah, you can't say it, me did
yeah.
angry and them say, oh, my bad man, I'm not chat to people and I'm not smile and you
Yeah.
can't say it, man, it's alright, brother. But I mean, we come from Max Hill, Kingston 13, brother, and when we learn about this industry, brother,
Yeah.
you have to set a standard for yourself, brother, because if you look into it, brother, most of the youth them will come boy, come laugh up with them, brother, them style them and disrespect them, brother. So me rather them say that about me. May I be honest with them, I did rather them say that about me than me there in one party and me see how them style certain youth, and we not go take styling because we never grow that way there.
No.
So if we avoid all of that, we just try to stay in our lane and build with thing, brother, you see me? As me not cut it, but as for the happy thing now and the
Yeah.
smiling thing, remember say after a while people grow in, brother, and me not so angry and aggressive no more. You know them way there, brother, me just look forward to life and just growing with my music and just, you know me I say that.
Okay, we don't really know what happened, and when you don't know what happened, it leads to speculation. So I must ask you, the situation between you and Steven, are you and Steven still good?
No, man, me and Steve will always be good, brother. Remember, say I'm a bridging that in a brother. And then me trying to follow up the internet thing, cause if you follow the internet in a brother, enough friend you lose in a
We
brother.
know that.
Yeah, man, if you follow like the comments, them on them something then. The other day, me see them a try put a stigma to it whereby them a say, Steve, me and him no 100 and me and Steve talk yesterday, brother. You understand? So people just don't get caught up in the propaganda where them a try spread. Me and the genius good, and my brother is just that. I mean, every man have them life to live, brother. So
Yeah.
him there in America, I work from America now. So me I do my own thing. Me I do Gorilla Gang, S-Lap music. So I mean, nobody shouldn't have a problem with that. And Steve give me my full support. My song Like Fire, Steve mix it.
Yeah.
My song where you just play on Octane Rhythm in a big ship student mix.
I know mix.
Yeah.
But the thing is that why people, I think, this is my point of view, why people may think that. Because you and Steven had that chemistry where you didn't do anything wrong under Steven's stewardship. In terms of the music coming out, everything was just fluent.
Yes, sir.
And we were getting a different side of Bramma then than we were getting now. Not saying that what's coming out now is not good, because it's growth, and growth is always good.
Yeah.
Because we can see the growth in terms of your music, and the content is more, as I said, it got me watching 7 videos
Yes,
when
sir.
I should be listening to maybe 2 songs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But the connection that you and Steven had there was so natural that and organic that people just had to accept it.
Yeah.
So
but
maybe that's what people miss.
well, I mean, people are going to speculate a lot of things, you know, brother, but you have to look into it like this. The genius are doing international music. He's working with people like Rihanna, people like Busta Rhymes, people like Estelle, brother. He's not in Jamaica. I reside in Jamaica, brother. So, me not gonna get up and cuss my friend and say, oh, him gone left me a rare, I have to do my thing, brother.
Yeah.
So, it's a thing when I try, I kind of hate the interview one, because some of the interviewer them, brother, them kind of steer it one way. So, even when we done the conversation, it still look like me and the dog have a thing, brother. You
Still,
understand what I say? So, me I just say real now, big up the genius anyway, because you know you're my brother. And you tell me, say, don't follow them, just work and go and do what me I do. So, big up Stevie, you see me?
Which is right. But you're in the UK right now, and it's in the middle of winter. How you coping with the winter?
Yo, brother, I'm sick. Yo, me sick out, brother, last night. Yo, what you ever know? Me don't know Rasta, but I mean, I'm a job, brother, and you don't know, brother, as me say, where we are run from, brother, and where we are come from, for me, they in a cool. That alright, you know, brother.
It's alright.
I'm good with that, you know, brother. Cause remember, say, we grow and see we friend them are dead off and them something, you know, brother. Even now, we see we friend them we grow with us a job, brother. So, for me, get a escape, brother, and can do my music and come cross the waters and see all
Yeah.
some of my old music, some youth a play them like all the youth here and a vibe to it and all a sing the words them. That show say
You did,
Bramma do something. I mean I do something right. You know, understand what I say, brother?
you did something right because you're in the UK and you didn't come here just a vacation. You're here and work,
Yes, sir.
and you're basically putting in the work. Because I've seen you all over the socials, and I'm like, yeah,
Yes, sir.
Brahma is making a change, and we actually seen a good side of what we normally used to see. Because I used to see all the videos them, and it's always
Yeah,
somebody
yeah.
always putting you into some form of friction in.
Yeah,
And I'm
yeah.
like, yeah, there's a smile on the face now, and he's in the UK, but you've been here. How I must say this. Let me check. I'm just checking to see your fingers and see what. How is the ladies treating you since you've been here?
Me single, you know, ladies. Me not have no woman, you know. Me not have nobody, you know. Ladies, me want somebody over your cold. Me want a thick girl too, yeah? Me not have nobody, man. Me single, brother, man. You understand? Cause remember one time I used to do that when people ask me them questions. I used to try to be politically correct and say, oh, me single. But me single for real now,
Single
man,
for
brother.
real.
So ladies, 26 ready, you know, to make sure when I come out, you know, good man there, you know, I'm easy to forget. So you can't look me.
I like that. I like that. I like that. You see, man, listen, ladies gonna be put in the application because I'm sure. Are you gonna be anywhere in the UK we can look for you? Or are you just doing promotional
No, man, I
tours?
just said I'm in Reading, the
You in
26th.
Reading?
Yeah, I think when name Laugh and Go on, Dark Side Sound. You see me I say I'll be performing live there. You see what I say? So I'll read the flyers. I'll give you guys one of the flyers before I leave. So you can read it from up on the radio station and make the people them know where me I got there. So them can come enjoy a real dancehall show, brother. You know what I say?
Of course. And for 2017, as I said, is almost finished. We're fastly approaching Christmas right now. That means the end of the year. Normally, it's the silly season in Jamaica where everybody at each other, but there seems to be none of that this year. What's your take on the dancer industry and how is it going? Are you satisfied the way it is at the moment, or you think things need to be changed?
I'm not satisfied with it still, no brother, but everybody say we're going to dance the whole energy with Vibes, Cartel and Buju Man and now Ninja Man. You understand what I say? So the place kind of tense and people them kind of sad but we're going still. But I mean, we're there and we are try to hold it up to when you have other youth. I'm not going to tell them say, I'm me alone I do the thing. You have a whole heap of other artists out there do the thing, brother. So the vibe in Jamaica, we have to just know say the crime and violence are escalate, brother, in a yard. So I just we as the artists them more well for know what we are do, brother, and set example to. So with that said, brother, the vibes is there and we have to just build it back and just know say a dancehall and everything we are do, we have ups and downs, brother. You understand what I say?
We can definitely see that, and we can see that you're in ascendance, and we like the ascendance, and I hope it just don't peak, and then somebody just get back on your wrong side and you just go back with the gorilla days.
Just tell them to love me, brother, cause me I tell you the truth, brother. Right now, I'm there in a good space, you know me I say, me have my own recording studio, you know, brother. That's why I hear so much music, cause one time, brother, you know the thing go, young youth, brother, when we just come out to Big Ship Records, and we young, brother, and the fast life, and you don't know, we head a little bit hot, brother, so you know the thing, brother. So we grow now. God bless you. We're in a one position where we can even help
You
some
can help.
youth. Yeah, big up my artist Crucial who me sign as well, yeah?
Or you have an article named a Crucial.
Yeah, me sign an artist who name Crucial. You can look out for him first single. Me I drop it January, you see me?
But it's funny how you said this, because I know this in recent times there's been a lot of artists complaining about managers are mistreating them and misleading them. How do you find yourself? How was it for you? Did you find any obstacles? Because I'm seeing this trend developing where most artists are complaining that managers are not treating them fairly, and most of the
Some
artists.
manager wicked still in a brother. I can tell you that still in a brother. Yeah, man, you have some wicked manager out there. But as me say, brother, even when I just came out, I never have no manager, brother. Remember me tell you, say, 6 years ago I come here, you know.
Yeah.
Last time I come here, that's cause my company when I signed to is a UK-based company, you know, brother. Enough people don't even know that. Last time I came here, that's when I got signed with the Genius. So when me I get signed, Stevie did there. But me not
Okay.
real, that's why I tell you, say, even with the whole thing with some people, brother, me not really follow them up. So as far as management goes, brother, you have some manager where them wicked, brother. But me just thank God say when me did just come up, me never have no manager yet, so me have to learn certain things from my
Yeah.
own and put my thing forward, but it still never have no structure. You understand what I say? So when me meet up with S-Lock Entertainment now, them are some people who say, I want to DJ bodies. I want to the stock where you need and we'll make it happen. So
But
big
that-
up, Dada, you hear that?
That makes sense because I find that artist suffers way after couple of years after they realize where they went wrong, and most artists I know because in the terms I've been listening to if you listen to Cargo's outburst that you were saying, he's saying a lot of things that I know a lot of artists is probably feeling it, and they probably haven't saying anything. And I know since that has come out, because I do so much of this,
Big up Cargo.
people say the same thing to me. So I know what is happening. So I'm just checking to see if you were in that space or you overcome that little space, because we really don't want it to happen to any of the artists. But unfortunately, in dancehall, it does happen.
Yeah, it does happen, brother. But as I tell myself, brother, I'm not going to try dwell on the negative no more, brother. Because I realize even the other day I do a nightly fix interview and just, me never really talk, you know. Me just barely scratch the surface and I see what it do. And I see how much people are shift up. You get what me say, my brother? But I tell myself, say, I'm not going to dwell on the negative no more, brother. Because look how much artists can come to England. Look how much artists now have not sung on the radio play. You get what me say? Last night I was by Shawnee B show, BBC One Extra, and I was in the studio with Morgan Heritage, and them tell me say, yo, you hear the truth, here the baddest thing what boy where you did. Me there, me just there work all along, but them not look for me. So me not dwell on the negative, brother. Me have my thing going and me give thanks, because me trust in a Father God, brother. You see me?
Which is right. And we do commend you doing good music, because I did hear a lot of good music on that 70 EP.
Yes,
thing.
sir.
And
one a day name, brother.
One a
day EP.
One a day. Let me get it right.
One a day.
Not 7 days.
Not 7 days.
I almost achieved the man whole program, you know. That's so good.
Yes,
Oh,
but what we're
sir.
gonna do here, this is the Upnlive show, and normally when anybody comes to the show, we always have them giving us a little 2 minutes of expression musically on the microphone. You don't have to party, but as I said, there's a DJ here, there's a microphone, and we're
Yeah.
gonna leave you to do what you wanna do, all right?
Yes, sir.
This is the Upnlive show. This is the one and only Bramma, live from Jamaica, right here. You ready?
Gang. Yo, I say I go remember that song, yeah. Them say I'm my time now. Got my patient waiting on the line, yo. As sure as the sun gon' shine, I'm gonna get what's mine. Yeah, we not take time, cause we head hard. Only when we want, got to get that. Tell some boy we not gonna look back. My madam, alright, listen. You know the Bramma care not. Some boy you call me name, but evil we no fear that. What? Them my mother cry, them want she wear black. Nanny nah go shed a single teardrop. Hear what? Listen. I wear the whole of them a try. Set them on your friend and can't look in your eye. S-lock, to the top we a go fly. One day we must touch the sky. Marlon, we not take that, cause we head hard. Only when we want, got to get that. Tell some boy we not go look back. My mother not go hungry full stop. Not take that, cause me head hard. Only when we want, got to get that. Tell some boy we not go look back. Young boss boy, yeah, we a make it up, mo. I'm a one thing that make forward the place flat, no. Anything for up, me make it up, me make it up. Me even jail them, a jail them, a go down in a top of why. Not just them, just who. The boy used to par in on my first row. Look how him sell out flames and all the Dan row. So me go take away him life, me tell him thank you. I love my gun, them keep them shampoo. Mind condition for fling, I does the bomb too. Flames call me and I say me lose a damn screw. One shot me does to keep them like a kung fu. Why? We no beg friend, no sat, me no want see you again. Why them start this war without end? The war you not done, S-lock me a defend. When me say wait, hold on, them make me stay back again. The war you not done, S-lock me a defend. Me come a drive, you know the clip them extend. Now me not bother nobody, coulda with them best friend. How can there be peace? War in the streets, man, just left them in a pieces. You know me violate all them peace treaties. Flip the love, flush them like pieces. How them a each up on black and night time. A chat at night time, real killer use copper fight crime. We are run the road, we not stop a white line. When me clap up my 9 boy, chop up fine. Hey, not just them, just the boy used to par in on my first go. Look how him sell out the Dan, now the Dan row. So me go take away him life, me tell him. Yo, for the girl them, Bramma representing. Alright, watch your style, yeah. Hello, mama, how are you doing? Hey you, Jasmine, I want be a Aladdin. Someone want to know ya. How are you doing? For the girl them, watch ya. Hello, Jasmine, want be a Aladdin. Watch ya, alright then. Bumper big so, party rider. She's a whiner, clothes a designer. Shape like Amber Rose, black China. Yup, China, no big like Sabina. Girl, me say your life Kardashian out. When them chatting about Miss Hollywood.
Life of the rich and the famous. Just put me number, store me name first. Hello, mama, how are you doing? Big up Rhythm Force Record. Hey you, Jasmine, I live that, so me got some man in Jamaica. Jamaica man in Jamaica. Jamaica, hear my bad now. Alright, man, I have to pick up the taxi man from half a tree to Whitehall. Big up all the who me see a juggle from a stall. Big up all the who are also when the sun has call. Umbrella sell most anytime rain a fall. Big up all the people in a traffic where you crawl. And the schoolers where you yes because them no school at all. Big up to the youth them me a say overall. The ones who wipe the glass collect a thing no care small watcher. Big up the people let me see a go work. Teacher man up. The bank clerk, pick up starry man and clean a woman at the skirt. Without your mechanic, now your vehicle could wreck. Watch ya, uptown, downtown and parade. You see when me want a clock, say no me go a arcade. Big up the police, soldier, fireman, pan brigade, S-Lock. Big up on the damn self. Hey.
You know what I'm gonna do to you, alright? You know what I'm gonna do to you?
Yeah.
Because you're in the UK, right?
Yes, sir.
And it's your second time, you said, right? I'm gonna put you into a UK beat and see how you manage it. Because I know you used to dancehall.
Okay.
Have you ever listened to Funky House or ever listened to any of them fast music there?
Brother, I listen every type of music, you know, brother, and music, no limit, no boundary. Just play rhythm, man. We're never scared, brother. Just play rhythm, Rasta.
Alright, so what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna be playing one of our favorites because this is we just get the message from the owners of the studio. He likes this song, the same song that I was talking about. I'm gonna play the rhythm. As soon as you hear it, you know exactly which one we're talking. You ready, Dragon?
Okay.
Turn up. Let's go.
Genius. Hey. Tell them a summer, they keep the pagans away. Where? Psalm 35, alright then. Pray man a pray, come and know God a God. Pray man a pray, come and know God a God. Hate like Moses with the rod of shot land and them can't bother bad watch I know. Beep! Every day some people try. With them all want see me die. Them don't want see me fly. What the reason why? It's whatever. You know long me the DJ that song ya.
No.
Alright then, every day me a fast and pray. When the pagans a pass Bramma, why them want sharp Bramma? Pay, them a sprinkle on me yard and spray. Tell them chuck off over Morgan spear. Cause them freak like a carbon stay. Please genius, make that song ya go and play. Car, me a for blast one day and me nah. Make them stop the chat. Me a work every day, me nah stop for knock. Them a smiling on my face and a chat my back. Things, them a plan up but me spot the job. Tell them me a the cream of the crap. Day one me tell you heading to the top. Have to make a little money just to stop the gap. And I mean them a plot for shot. Gotta watch my back. Every day some people try. With them all want see me die. Them don't want see me fly. What the reason why? It's whatever.
And you know what?
It's whatever.
My officer, from the bottom of my artist.
Why feel bottom? Yeah.
No.
Yes, Rasta.
No, you go on now.
Overs where you say, man.
No, listen. Me like when time the artists from Jamaica say that.
Yeah.
Because especially when me there UK, me like when time me get the political correctness.
Yes, Rasta, because them are going to beat up on the internet.
Yeah, they're going to beat up on the internet. And you know what I go on, because basically we're in the age of social media, everything go out there now.
Everything.
And maybe somebody who never know your music before, probably watching this now and say, oh, who's this guy? Is it Bramma? Who's it about?
Yeah.
And he might hear me say from the bottom of my heart and he understand that. But on the next thing, a Jamaican man or a yard man will why me because
beat me.
Yeah.
Bad.
But you know what I try to say.
My overs, man, brother, man.
But me give thanks for that, for the strength for you doing that just now live right here. Because most of the big artists when they come to England,
yeah,
especially of your caliber has a voice and a platform.
Yeah.
What I find that you guys do, I'm not saying that you doing it, but most of the big artists that will come over here, they overlook the small radio stations.
Yeah, man, but I remember knowing, brother, Flames Radio has always been in my career, in an intricate part, brother. I remember say, you have people like Epic Jones, brother, we always play my music, so I have to big him up to the fullest, you understand what I say? And also, remember say when I just come to England, I think a Flames Radio they carry.
A Flames, yeah, of course.
Flames they carry, so we have to big one up.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is, I'm asking you, please, whenever you come to any countries, always visit the small radio stations. The reason why I say this is, you can go to, I can name the big ones. I'm not going to call anyone name, but the big ones, they don't normally focus on our music, on your music.
True.
They might have a one show on the radio that plays your music, probably maybe 2 hours for the whole week. But if you listen to any of the small radio stations now,
Yeah,
I
man.
guarantee you that they're playing something that me and you can understand.
Yes,
They
sir.
may not be playing your music, but there's a potentially big chance that your song is going to be played there.
True.
So this is just my request. Whenever when you come to the England, visit the small station there as well. All right?
Yeah, man, Rick, man, but remember, so now, brother, at the end of the day, brother, you play music, me sing music. So, any artist where say, I could on the smallest radio station, I mean, me just say it, since I want me say it. Any artist where say, the man them a link, and I say, interview, no care if it's a big radio station, brother, if it's a little radio station or
Yeah.
in between, brother. Remember, say the people them play music and you sing music. So, any artist where I go around that hype, brother, you know if you want to see them.
True.
Full stop.
But that's the case, right? And we thank you very much for coming through. But before you go, can you just tell us how we can find your music and find you online?
Yeah, man, you can just Instagram, Bramma G God, one word, BRAMMAGGOD, one word. Facebook, Bramma G God. SoundCloud, Bramma G God. Twitter, Bramma G God. Everything Bramma G God. YouTube page is Bramma Official. And for bookings, you can contact slackentertainment@gmail.com. Facebook, IG, everything, one word, slackentertainment@gmail.com.
And the next show that you said you're gonna be having, we're gonna give this a plug. Where is the show gonna be?
Reading the 26th. I think when name Laugh and Go on at Face Bar. So make sure you come out and come all the good vibes with you. Because a long time, I was 6 years, me not forward there, and I've grown so much. You know me, I have whole for half a brother. You understand? So when you just come out, come watch a real show, brother. I go bring back some of the old song them and some of the new thing them and gel up everything properly. So it'll go work out.
Yeah. All right. So people, there you had it. Bramma, the man himself, not the gorilla anymore.
Yeah, and big up the youth on the turntable too. Cause when I forward me I listen here, well bad brother.
Yeah.
Like the juggling and the mix them and everything smooth. You see what I say? Real talent.
Simple. That's right. That's Dragon All Star people. Everybody can follow him as well.
Dragon All Star, big up yourself. And
Yeah.
DJ Rick, big up yourself.
That's right. Upnlive right here. Keep it locked. This is Flames Radio. Remember, you can log on to our website, www.worlmagtv.com. Log on to the YouTube channel. Subscribe. Make sure you like and share. And you can watch all our previous videos right here on Flames Radio. Log on to the website as well, flamesradio.co.uk. And you can click onto the video tab and you can see all the previous videos that we done right here on the radio. Each and every Wednesday right here. Upnlive, we're out.